Megazord power, now! Log on! In the groove, ready to move! All systems, online!
Powered up and ready to go! All right, let's get to it!
Think we could use some help!
Totally. Hey, look, it's attacking!
Megazord's got him! Let's finish him, guys! Locked on target and ready to fire! Yeah, let's blast him!
Smash him and crush him!
Tyrannosaurus, fire!
Wowee! Did you see that? The Hatchosaurus is a goner! The Power Rangers blew him into a zillion pieces!
He isn't finished yet, right, my queen?
Bring the Power Rangers here at once. The Earth is still endangered by Rita's monster.
Ay, 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 ay.
Zordon, what's wrong?
The Hatchosaurus has not been defeated.
I thought we totally shredded that thing.
You must still destroy Cardiatron, its computer. Observe the viewing globe.
This is impossible.
Looks like we're gonna need the Mega Megazord to take this monster down.